The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following Delaware County / Sussex County, Delaware. The effective until 5:45 p.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Sussex County and southern Delaware until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm came produced the tornado was located near Shoretown, or 10 miles per hour southeast, in Holt Lock, moving northeast to 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Location impact that can include Georgetown, Seaford, Millsboro, Lowell, Bridge Hill, Sycamore, Blaze, and Bethel. Precautionary / comparative actions. Take cover now. Move to the basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest station or shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is concluded with the storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.